Indian captain, who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.
Why? Why does he want to step down? I think he's following what Gavaskar said so many years back. Go when people are asking you why rather than why not. So I think he's really done himself a very, very good thing. He can live for the rest of his life saying that he was never removed.
सडनली थोड़ा शॉक हो गया कि धोनी कैप्टनसी छोड़ नहीं सकते, ऐसा लगता है मुझे। और कोहली के अंडर नहीं खेलेंगे क्योंकि वो एज अ कैप्टन सुपर्ब थे और सुपर्ब रहेंगे आगे भी।
I was honestly very shocked. I was a little bit sad also because I honestly can't imagine anyone captaining India other than Dhoni.
The first thing that came to my mind was I was reminded of what a selfless captain he is. He's always done what's good for Indian cricket. He could have easily played on till the Champions Trophy this year in fact, and picked up another trophy, put in his collection, but he decided to do what's right for Indian cricket by letting probably Kohli take over in hopes of him captaining in the 2019 World Cup.
Very shocking news. I'm very surprised. He's a very inspirational guy. Given a lot of motivation to youngsters and young players.
Captain, leader, inspiration, Taleva, thank you. Thank you for what you've done for cricket in India, what you've done for sport in India, for making it inclusive and for winning us the World Cups. Thank you so much.
I don't think India's seen such a calm, collected personality in a long time. And I think that's exactly what made him a really good leader. So that's going to be a sad loss for India.
तो क्रिकेट जगत और क्रिकेट फैंस के लिए एक हैरानी करने वाला आश्चर्यजनक फैसला मैं कहूँगा। क्रिकेट के लिए ये एक मैं कहूँगा कि फैंस को निराश करने वाला फैसला था, लेकिन इस फैसले का मैं सम्मान करता हूँ।
I think he has served his purpose as a captain for the Indian cricket team for almost past 10 years. And now it's time for Virat Kohli to take the mantle and go ahead.
All throughout, he has surprised us with his, performances and his decisions per se.
Good captain, and he doesn't shout at people when they misfield.
I think MS Dhoni has done a really good job for the Indian cricket team, and he's given us countless nights of sheer pleasure in the fact that India has won so many good matches and amazing finishes. The one shot that stands out for me is the helicopter shot, and that will always be in the minds of every Indian fan. And thank you Dhoni.
I think it's the right decision. I hope this revitalizes his ODI career and his T20 career, and I hope that we see him for at least for a couple of more years before before he sort of calls it quits from all formats of the game. All the best, MS.
He's immortal. He's going to live in Indian memories. Rather, for that matter, all the cricketing world will remember him for all that he has done. I don't think anyone has won as much as he has. It's fantastic, and nobody can erase his name or his memories.
Thank you.